Meghalaya Border Pact. And now the news in detail. Former Governor of Bihar and senior BJP leader Phagu Chauhan today took oath as the Governor of Meghalaya. B.D. Mishra, retired Governor of Arunachal Pradesh, was officiating as Meghalaya Governor after Satyapal Malik completed his tenure. The oath to office and secrecy was administered by Mr. Justice Vanlura Dengdo, Judge of Meghalaya High Court. Born on January 1st, 1948 in the village of Shekhupur in Azamgarh district, Uttar Pradesh, Chauhan is a former member of the 17th Legislative Assembly of Uttar Pradesh from Ghoshi, a seat he won a record 6 times, representing various parties like Lokdal, Bahujan Samaj Party and Bharatiya Janata Party. Chauhan is married to Muhari Devi, with whom he has 3 sons and 4 daughters.
मैं फागू चौहान ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूँ कि मैं श्रद्धापूर्वक मेघालय के राज्यपाल कृतियों का निर्वहन करूँगा तथा अपनी पूरी योग्यता संविधान और विधि का परीक्षण संरक्षण प्रतिरक्षण करूँगा। मैं मेघालय की जनता की सेवा और कल्याण में मेघालय की जनता की सेवा और कल्याण में क्या लिखें।
With just a few days